Well, hello, this is Rosasha Creations. How you doing? We're bringing to you today a Crockpot lemon garlic butter chicken. Never made it, but we'll see. Here's all the ingredients, and of course, there'll be a full description with the ingredients and the recipes in the description box. It asks for 6 to 8 boneless chicken thighs, skinless or with skin. I took the skin off because I don't care for skin. Do yourself a favor. When you buy meat, if you buy it with the skin and then manually cut it off yourself, it's so much cheaper because they charge you for them to cut the skin off. So you just take the skin off and then throw this away. Unless you have animals. I know. I think some animals eat skin. I don't know, but we throw it away. We don't have any animals. Okay, and then it asks for salt and pepper to taste, tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red peppers. I put a little bit extra because hubby and I like a little bit of spice. 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 4 garlic cloves, sliced or minced, which is about 4 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 stick of butter, diced, zest of half of a lemon, juice of 1 lemon, which is about 4 to 5 teaspoons or 2 to 3 tablespoons. 1/3 cup chicken stock, chopped parsley, lemon slices for a garnish. And basically you're just going to dump everything in there, and then that's it. Set it on. If you can set it on for high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. We're going to do the low because this is going to be tomorrow's dinner. And I just remembered I forgot my chicken stock, so I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so that says put your chicken in the crock pot. And I am using a Crockpot liner to help on the cleanup. I really enjoy, I'm so glad I ordered these and I got them. This is my 3rd or 4th time I'm using it. Big time saver and cleanup. Okay, so, ooh, I need to wash my hands right quick. Gotta be careful when you're touching with chicken. Soap. Alright, wash my hands, use paper towel, dry them off. Alrighty, so now we're going to add the chicken in there. We're going to pine the chicken stock with the lemon juice. Oh, let me get another bowl so I can combine that. So it asks for 1/3 cup of... Let me get this out of the way because I have that chicken on it. Okay, 1/3 cup of chicken stock, broth. I have broth, homemade broth, 1/3 cup. Okay, and the lemon is 4 to 5 tablespoons. I don't have any fresh lemons, and I don't have any lemon zest because it does ask for zest. I lost that in the freeze that we had a week ago. But like everything else, you just make do with what you got. 1, 2. We're going to count that as 2.5. 3, 4. It says 4 to 5 because I know I went overboard. It spilled. Let me stir that up. Because it says combine the 1/3 chicken stock with the lemon juice and the zest and pour over the chicken thighs. And the thing is, I had just zested 3 lemons and they were so, man, they were so good. They smelled so good. And I froze them because I knew I was going to make this meal, but it was supposed to be for last week. But when a tornado hits, your life goes in chaos. Okay, so we've got all that. And then in a small bowl, we combine all the dry seasonings, which I've already dried and mixed and mixed and mixed and mixed them all up. Okay. And then we're just going to sprinkle this over everything. So I'm just going to, like it says, I'm going to sprinkle over everything. And with the heat, with the lid on, it'll all go all the way around underneath it, everywhere. Man, this smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Get it on all of that. Now we're going to add sprinkle the sauce with the mix and the tide tablespoon with minced garlic and butter. Oh yeah, and it did say cut this butter in little pats. So I'm just going to use this because it's already softened. And you want to sprinkle the butter, the little pats of butter, all over. Because it'll heat and then it'll melt as it's heating up, cooking. But I'm making sure that each piece of chicken has at least one pat on it. Okay. Now, this is a messy job. Okay, so that's done, that's done. And I went ahead and measured my minced garlic. And I'm going to sprinkle that on top because it says sprinkle the spice mix over the chicken thighs. Then top it all off with the fresh minced garlic and the diced butter. So I'm going to do that next. Go back again. And I'll bring you back and you can see what I'm doing here in a minute. I'll move it. I got to wash my hands, but then I'll move it. Well, actually, I could use my right hand because I'm doing everything with food in my left hand. I'm just sprinkling the garlic everywhere. That was another thing I lost. I had a gallon-sized baggie full of, I think it was 12 snack-sized baggies of minced, diced, and chopped garlic, and another gallon baggie of onions. So I got to start all over and get all that done. Okay, I've got all the juices in there too, because that's some really good flavor. Okay. Gotta get myself at least a little napkin. Okay, let me bring you so you can see what it looks like. See that? That's what the whole thing looks like. Now we put the lid on. Gonna put it on low. And we'll bring you back tomorrow for the taste test. This is gonna be our supper. And this is on low. So we'll be back. Okay? We'll see you in a minute. Well, actually, we'll see you tomorrow. Well, hey, with the next day, and the chicken is ready. I already had turned it off about 2 hours ago, getting ready for work. So let's go do the taste test. Yeah, everything's just falling apart. Let me just get a little piece of chicken for right now. Okay. Well, it's hard to grab it because it keeps on falling apart. We're going to go ahead and serve this over some rice or pasta. Probably rice. Because we had pasta yesterday. We had spaghetti yesterday. Look at that. Let's move you over. See that? Let's do a quick little taste test. Very, very, very good. And with all these extra juices, putting it over your rice or your pasta, I think rice is going to be better for this. I think we're going to do brown rice instead of white rice. We'll ask Cubby see what he wants to do, because he's the one that's going to prepare the rice. But anyway, this is my take of the Crockpot lemon garlic butter chicken. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.